I'm going to show you how to create awesome, epic Instagram story videos right on your computer and transport them to your Instagram page.
Sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe. I need a lover to trust. Tell me you're on my side. Are you down?
What's up, guys? TJ here with another video. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I release new videos. Today's video is going to be about creating awesome, epic Instagram videos and Instagram stories and putting them on your page. So Instagram recently has come out with IGTV, and it's going to be a thing that I think is going to blow up. And the reason I say that is because a lot of people are transitioning from Facebook and using Instagram more, and Instagram stories is a hit. Everybody loves Instagram stories. They go through, they look at them, they engage with them. And the only problem with Instagram stories is that if you shoot them on your camera, then it's hard to get it from your camera to Instagram. Also, you have to think about it being a vertical video. And also, moving forward, YouTube is actually coming up with a feature within the next couple of weeks, and it's actually going to allow vertical video on YouTube. So when you're watching on your phone, you can watch it vertically, and you can see the vertical video on your whole screen versus having to turn your phone over. But with that being said, I'm going to show you how to create those videos in the vertical format. Also, I'm going to show you how to shoot on your camera. If you have a DSLR camera and you want to shoot vertical video, I'm going to show you how to do that. And I'm also going to show you how to edit and make those epic Instagram stories right on your PC or your computer. I'm going to do this in Premiere Pro today, but I'm going to come out with another video showing you how to do it on iMovie. If you have an iPad or if you have an iPhone, you can actually do these same videos on that. You don't have to have a computer, but I'm going to do it in the next video. So if you want to see that video, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and it'll be out next week. Alright, so I'm going to show you what I use to record vertical video on my DSLR camera. Sorry this footage is so shaky. I was taking it with my iPhone. But this right here is actually called a ball joint or ball something. Anyway, I put a link to it in the description section. But you take this this ball joint and you can actually move it in all these different directions. You can move your camera in any different direction. You just loosen that and your camera will fall into place, and you just turn it up on its side and tighten the little knob back up. And then your camera is now shooting long video, so you won't have to edit your footage to what I'm about to show you, because it'll already be shooting in that long format, which is just going to be your normal HD format, but just turned up on the side. So if you want to shoot with your DSLR, you just want to make sure you get one of these ball joints, or what I don't know what they're called. Anyway, you just get one of these and you can shoot with your camera over to the side, and you will have that elongated footage. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into Premiere Pro, and we'll go to New Project. There may be a better way to do this. It's just the way that I do it. You go to New Project, you name it whatever you want to, and once we get in here, we can actually update the settings, which is what we want to do. So it's going to take a minute for it to load. Alright, so once you get inside of here, you're actually going to want to go to File, New, and then Sequence. And it's going to open up a new sequence. Now, I've already got the sequence settings for Instagram vertical video as a preset. So what you want to do is go down to Custom, and you can make a custom setting for, you know, whatever you want to. So you have to do that via the settings tab, and what you want is you want these settings, So it's going to be DSLR, and then your frame size, the most important thing, 1080 by 1920. 1080 by 1920. That's going to give you the vertical video that you're looking for. And then you want to save this, of course, as a preset. All right, the next thing you're going to want to do is import your video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to create an epic awesome video from an epic awesome video. All right, so I generally download my videos from YouTube, or you can download from Reddit. I would download 4K video downloader, and you can download YouTube videos from there. I get my music from Epidemic Sounds. I'm not sponsored by Epidemic Sounds, but if you want to use Epidemic Sounds, you can, or any kind of non-copyrighted music. This is where you need to get your music for your awesome video edits. Okay, so I'm just going to drag this track over to my my timeline, if I can find it. All right, so you want to grab your video from the 4K video downloader, or wherever you download your video from, and you're going to want to put it into your playlist here. So these are just going to be fails. I haven't looked at it, so I don't even know what's on here. But what we're going to attempt to do is we're going to attempt to make an epic video from these videos, and we're going to try to edit it to the music. And mind you that an Instagram story can only be 15 seconds long. Now, if you're going to upload a video to IGTV, then it can be up to, I believe, an hour long, so you don't have to worry about timing out, you know, unless you got a really super long video. All right, so we're going to put our music in here, and we're going to edit to that music. All right, so I'm gonna follow this with the beat. It has a little bit of music here. We'll cut there. This is where the fail is at. Then we'll go here to the next fail, see what it is, and we'll cut that about here. And we'll delete that out, move that back in here, and let's see. All right, play that. That's the fail. We'll cut that there for the next fail, and we'll see what the next one is. Him falling off the table like an idiot. We'll cut that. I may have to move that one back. Let's see what this looks like. All right, yeah, we'll cut this back, and we'll put that, move that just a little bit. This is just being perfectionist, so I want him to fall on the beat. So I'll go back to there and see what that looks like. All right, that works a lot better. And then we'll cut it there, and we'll get our next fail, which should be our last one here. See what he does. All right, he failed, so we'll just get it mid. That should be good timing. And we'll pull that back. All right, so that's our fail video there, and I literally made that in like 4 minutes. So I mean, if you're taking your time, you can make a really cool video, but I just want to show you just the general process of it. So let's look at our video.
Come on, son, get your song.
Alright, so after that, you would go in and you would add, you know, follow such or whatever Instagram page. And I've seen pages like this, fail pages, and different pages like that actually have 100,000 to 300,000 followers, and all they do is just steal videos, epic fail videos from around the web. Alright, that is going to be it for creating those epic Instagram stories. If you have a question about anything, hit me up in the comment section below. I'll get right back with you. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, more tutorials, just hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Go ahead, be great.